Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Airplay not working on iPhone. So I will request to my all friends subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest video so I do not waste your time. So fix this problem, how to fix Airplay not working on any iPhone. So guys, do not waste any time. So first solution, open the setting and then click on general and then you open Airplay and hand off and then click on automatically Airplay to TV and then you select on automatic. I have already selected the automatic and you should be select the automatic. And then second solution, Airplay is not working on iPhone. So how to fix? You can second solution is restart your iPhone, volume up button, volume down button and press the power button. When not increase, you can see the Apple logo on uh, iPhone screen. Then restart the iPhone and wait the 5 to 10 seconds and your problem will be fixed. If there are second solution is not working, there is third solution. You have must be open the setting and then click on general and then click on software update. You should be software update install on your iPhone and then Airplay is 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.